All right, guys, here we are at District T-Mobile here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'm using the gimbal, so forgive me if it's a little bit weird. Hopefully it's also super duper smooth.
My hair changed in 1 minute. Oh.
How did you do it? She changed her hair so fast. Okay, so there's no parking in San Juan. So we're just gonna go ahead and check out the T-Mobile district. Let's see if we can, all right. All right, Mia. I guess if I could ask anything, like if you could just leave a comment, how's it going? Mia, where are you going? There's other trash. There's like other trash.
Where? In the toilet?
Yep, in the toilet.
What?
I don't know how I feel about this gimbal, I'm not gonna lie. It better be like icy smooth, but I don't feel like it's icy smooth.
I changed my hair.
Yeah, you did. Alright, so here we are, we're entering the T-Mobile district. And honestly, it is like Minecraft. Let me take a picture of you right there. Yeah! Hold on. Yeah, hold on right here. Yeah, Lorelai, thank you. All right, guys. This has been the gimbal. I don't know how we feel about the gimbal, but we're about to switch the manual. crazy, right? I got too much stuff in my pocket. She's gonna let her with internet sex dates during this entire vacation.
I'm gonna go to a stage of affection. Hey, also you're like.
So this is the review of the X3 SE. This thing is okay. It's okay. You're about to see the video that it shot here. And I don't know if it does a better job than I do just naturally, organically moving it and carrying it around. It does seem to be a little bit more smooth, a lot less jerky in the animations. So that's what this really has been. Is the X3 SE worth it? And is it superior when it comes to vlogging? So far, just walking around, I can tell that my hand shakes so much more than the X3. So far, I'm pretty happy with its performance. I just need to get better with controlling it because it seems like it's not looking where I want it to look when I'm recording. At the same time, the audio is also kind of weird. It could be how it's being recorded, but yeah, overall, the X3 is pretty good. I think the performance is going to be much better, but we'll see. All right, for good measure, we are refilming this intro scene using my natural gimbal, my old hands. Now, a couple things. You're going to hear my breathing more because I'm using this. I'm also not as concentrated on the scene. I'm more concentrated on walking because when I have it in my hand, I don't keep it at eye level. I have it more at like mouth level. Very close to eye level, but not quite. Anywho, when we compare, hopefully these two scenes are filmed side by side so you can understand where the gimbal was able to stabilize and walking with your hand is not able to stabilize. Like you. So, I think this is where you'll really notice it because I can even feel it. Like the shake is intense. Let's get ourselves some medalla and chill out a bit.